Let's learn to multiply using groups. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 6. When you multiply, you are adding numbers in groups. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 9. 3 times 3 equals 9.